Noon, ako ay may isang munting pangarap. Nais kong may parinig ang aking tinig. Pawis, luha, at talento ang aking naging puhunan. I had to go through every adversity. Many people said I had an impossible dream. But I know someday, my star will shine. Then I became the ultimate champion of Search for a Star at nag-umpisa nang matupad ang minsan ay isa lamang munting pangarap. It opened doors to more opportunities, golden and platinum awarded albums. At ngayon, ako ay nagbabalik kung saan ako ay tunay na nagsimula at masaya kung muli kayong makapiling. Kapuso.
You've got your mother and your brother, every other undercover telling you what to say. You think I'm stupid, but the truth is that it's stupid, baby. Loving you has made me this way. So before you point your finger, get your hands up my trigger. Oh no, I need to know the situation's getting old, and now the more you talk, the less I can say. I'm looking for attention, not another question. Should you stay, should you go? You don't have the answer, why you still standing here? Hey, 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 just walk away, just walk away, yeah. Just walk away, yeah. I waited here for you like a kid waited after school, so tell me, how come you never show? I gave you everything and never asked for anything. Now look at me, I'm all alone. So before you start defending, baby, stop all your pretending. Yeah, I know you know, so what's the point of being slow? Let's get the show on the road today. Yeah. You say you should go. You don't have the answer, why you're still sitting here? Hey, 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 just walk away, just walk away, yeah. Just walk away. Now listen, I wanna learn, I wanna fight to feel the burn on my side. I want a man by my side, not a boy who runs and hides. Are you gonna cry for me, die for me, live and breathe for me? Do you care for me? 'Cause if you don't, then choose me. Another question, should you stay or should you go? You don't have the answer, why you still sitting here? Hey, 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 just walk away, just walk away now. Just walk away. Hey, hey, hey,
Yeah! Rachel Ango! Okay ba? Ayos ba? Mga kapuso, mga kaibigan, isang linggong pinag-usapan ang paglipat ni Rachel Ango at ngayon, nandito ka na. Isa ka na talagang certified kapuso. Welcome! Welcome to GMA!
Thank you very much, Kuya Ogie.
Anong
Salamat po.
nararamdaman mo, Rachel?
Ngayon po, kinakabahan po ako.
Parang hindi naman.
Hindi,
Parang-
syempre po, masayang-masaya po ako. At nandito po ako ulit ngayon sa GMA. At maraming salamat po sa mainit yung pong pagtanggap sa akin. Thank you very much. Party Pilipinas! Thank you!
Lalong-lalo na mga taga-Dagupan. Okay ba? Everybody say yay! Okay, ngayon naman, Rachel, alam mo, I am so honored na ngayong nagbalik ka ngayon sa GMA na ako ang iyong unang makakaduet.
Oo nga po.
Okay ba yan?
Okay na okay po yan.
Ready na ba kayo? Ladies and gentlemen, the ultimate champion, Rachel Ann Go!